calculator cost 80 paise. So what will be the cost of 5 eraser? Okay, 10 more seconds. Let's be more quick and solve more questions in the class, bacho. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The quiz has ended, but let me tell you, dear students, what will be the correct answer, because this was your homework question. Can you all remember? Yes, this was a question number 4 on your homework, and many of you have done mistake. That is why, bacho, I have given this question in today's session. So what are we going to do? First, you are going to multiply the ones place number 5 into 0. So 5 multiplied by 0 will be your, that's number 0. Next, you multiply with the tens place. So 5 into 8. So what is 5 into 8, bacho? Can you all tell me? What is 5 into 8? Everybody tell me. 5 into 8 will be your 40. So what is my answer? My correct answer, which I am going to get, that is your option B, 400 paise. Understood? It's not 450, bacho. It's your option number B, 400 paise. Clear, everyone? Sabko clear hai? Very good. So now let us solve one more question. That is a warm-up question. It's a very important question, bacho. All right. Now, what is given in the question? A calculator cost rupees 132. A calculator cost rupees 132. How much for 3 calculator? Okay, so basically, you know that, students, repeated addition is known as multiplication. So you are not going to add this number 132 3 times. Not possible, Hannah. So what we do, we just multiply the number rupees 132 multiplied by 3 and tell me what will be the correct answer, bacho. Is it option A, 366, option B, 376, option C, 386, or is it option number D, that is 396? Bacho, tell me what will be the correct answer, bacho. All the best, and your time starts now, and this is going to be your first salary quiz for the class. Okay, all the very best, bacho. The cost rupees 132. How much for 3 calculators? All the very best. Jai Aditya, very good. Yaduvir, Adrisha, very nice, beta. Good job. A calculator costs rupees 132. So how much for 3 calculators? So what will be the price of the 3 calculators, bacho? Okay. Take your time, and nobody is supposed to do any mistakes. Okay. You solve in your notebook, and after that, bacho, you see which option is particularly matching with your answer. Then you select that particular option. Okay. All the very best. Yes. Very good. So we have 10 more seconds, bacho. Everybody answer correctly and give your best performance in the class. Okay. No mistakes should be there from your side. Very good. Good to see the amazing performance from everybody, bacho. Very nice. Okay. So first you can see a 3-digit number we have, right? So first we write multiply ones place 3 into 2. That is number 6. That is done. Ones place is done. Next, bacho, you multiply tens place 3 into 3. That is your 9. After that, you multiply 100 place 1 with 3. So that is your 3. So what is my answer, bacho? My correct answer will be your option D, 396. Are we clear? Are we clear, bacho? Very simple. So this was your 2 marks question, which should come in your school examination. Can we all do? Can we all do quick 5 in the chat box, bacho? Multiplication of money, this type of question you're going to get in your examination. Very good. And especially, bacho, what are we going to do? Students, today we are going to learn about what? That is division sentence, the first topic. Next, we are going to learn about the relation between multiplication and division. Along with that, we will be learning about the what problems on division. So this will be our class flow. Are you all ready? These are the topic which you are going to learn in today's class. So now, students, earlier you have already learned, right, about the division sentence. So when we talk about division sentence, for example, you can see example over here, 10 divided by 2. है ना बच्चों? 10 divided by 2. The first number, what we call the first number as your dividend, right, everybody? The second number, that is number 2, which is known as your divisor. And if you divide 10 with 2, you get the number 5, which is going to be your quotient. Are we clear? Are we clear, Bachu? This is all about your division sentence. And many times in your school examination, you get a questions from your division sentence, Bachu. Okay, 1 mark question. A dividend is divided. A dividend is divided by a divisor. So this is the dividend. You're going to divide by the divisor. And when you divide that division by divisor, what you get? You get the quotient, bacho. Are we clear? Is this clear, everybody? Now, for example, 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. So, bacho, can you tell me what is this number 9? The first number. What is this number 9? All of you tell me in the chat box. Very good. The number first 9 we have, that is your dividend. Very good, everyone. Now the number 3. Can you tell me what is this number 3? Second number you have. What is second number? Very good. Absolutely correct. That is going to be your divisor. And what about this number 3? Yes, after equals to, that is going to be your quotient. Quotient. Very nice. Amazing, bacho. Now, let us solve a question, because 1 mark question many times you get in your school examination, bacho. You have to take the dividend. I told you dividend will be always the first number in the division sentence, bacho. You have to take the dividend for the given division sentence. That is 72 divided by 8 is equal to 9. Okay. 72. This is your division sentence. So 72 divided by 8, which is equal to 9, bacho. So tell me what will be the correct answer. Is it option A number 8? Is it option B number 72? Option C, that is 9. Option D, that is division sign. Tell me what will be the correct dividend. All the best, students. Okay. See the options very carefully and answer properly. No mistake should be there. Read the question very carefully, everybody. All questions are from your school examination, bacho. It's a very important topic, division concept. So everybody stay connected in the class till the end, okay? Because this is a new week, your new certificate is going to be make prepare, right? So everybody have to give your best in the class for that. Okay, take your time. What will be the correct dividend, bacho? Very, very important question. All right, so you have 10 more seconds, students. Tell me what will be the correct answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good answer, everyone. Very good job. Now, I'm very sad that, bacho, many of you have done mistakes. Why? I told you to read the question very carefully, right? As I told you in the starting, the first number which you have, that is number 72, that is going to be your dividend. Option number B. Got it? The first number is going to be your dividend, bacho. Always remember. For example, I'm going to have this number 16. I want to divide it by 2. That is equal to 8. So now, what is this number 16? That is first number. That is going to be your dividend. Are we clear? In this sentence, bacho, the dividend is going to be your number 72. Understood? A quick 5 in the chat box. Now nobody should do any mistake. First number, bacho, is always going to be your dividend. Okay, it's a very easy question. If you do mistakes, then you're going to lose marks, no? Huh? But if you do mistakes, the marks will be 0, right? So you have to read the question very carefully. Okay? Okay? Very good, my dear students. So 72 is going to be your dividend, right? So now let's solve a question. Find the dividend. Okay, so what is the division sentence over here? 156. 156 divided by 12. I told you dividend is going to be your first number. So what will be the correct answer, bacho? Is it option A, 156, option B, that is 12, option C, that is 13, option D, that is your none of this. Okay. Think and answer correctly, bacho. All of you give your best performance in the class. You have to find what will be the dividend. And yes, This is going to be your salary quiz. So think of salary, bachcho. You read the question properly and tell me which answer is matching with the option. Then you select that particular option. Okay. And your time starts now. All the best. Find the dividend, bachcho. No mistake should be there from your side. Rayansh, Jay Aditya, very good, beta. Adrisha, Garvit, very good. Nayan, Danish, Aban, Arjun, very good, everybody. Abhishek, Joan, Tony, very good. What will be the correct dividend? Good response from everyone. Great to see that you all are performing really amazing, but very nice, very, very nice. Yes, which is the correct dividend? Option A, option B, option C, or option number D? 10 more seconds I'm going to give you and ensure that all of you are selecting the correct option, bachilo. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, so the quiz has ended and a very good performance from everybody, bacho. Very nice. Okay, so can you tell me what will be the correct answer? Yes, that is going to be no doubt option number A because the first number is going to be your dividend. Are we clear? Sabko clear hai, bacho? Very good, very good. Now, if I ask you that in this question, can you tell me what will be the question? Can you tell me, bacho, what will be the question in this question? Yes, question kya hoga yahan pe? Very good. So the question is going to be your number 13. And if I tell you what is going to be the divisor, what will be the divisor, bachcho? Very good. Divisor is going to be your number 12. Understood? Clear, everybody? Very good. So now let's move ahead to the next question. You can see the division sentence we have 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. So tell me, bachcho, what is the question here? What is the question here? Is it option A, number 4, option B, number 5, option C, number 20, or option number D, 0? Bacho, everybody should answer. Okay, make me very happy by giving the correct answer. All the best, and your time starts now. What is the question here in the correct division sentence? Manashwi Shaw, very good. Yaduvir Tushar Samyukta, very good job, everybody. What is the question here, bacho? Good response from all of you. Very great to see that you all are doing really amazing in the class, bacho. Very, very nice performance from everybody. Okay, so we have 10 more seconds, and I want all of you to actively participate in the class, bacho, because your participation in the session is very, very important. Okay, 3, 2, and 1. The quiz has ended. Can you tell me, bacho, what will be the correct answer? What will be the correct answer? You all can write your answer in the chat box. What is the question? Very good. The correct answer will be option number A. That is your number 4. Number 4 is going to be your question. Are we clear? Sabko clear hai, bachcho? Very good. Very, very good performance from everybody. And I can see all of you are doing your outstanding in the class, bachcho. Very good. Okay. We have Agraja, Manomay, RV Singh, Paso, and Harshvardhan. Clear, everyone? Thumbs up with a big smile on your face. Okay? Because this type of question, बच्चों, you are going to get for 1 marks. 1 marks का question आएंगे, ठीक है? Your school examination. Oda, Cham, Arahan, Jenny, Yashwan, Amara, Saumitra. Clear है सबको? Done? Very nice. Good to see that, bachcha. And always smile in the class. Okay. If you smile, then I'll be very happy to teach you all. Hannah? Clear? Okay. Now, what we are going to do, bachcha, we are going to learn that is a relation between multiplication and division. Very, very important. Okay. This questions also you get for 1 marks in a school examination. Now, you can see a question over here. If 9 multiplied by 4, so if you're multiplying 9 into 4, bacho, you get 36. Yes or no? Do you all agree with me? If you multiply, if you remember the table of 9, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, right? 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36. So if 9 multiplied by 4 is equal to 36, bacho, then what is 36 divided by 9? That is the inverse of division and multiplication, opposite, right? Very good. So 36 divided by 9 will be what? That is your number 4. Got it? Understood, bacho? One tricks I'm going to tell you. So in this question, you can see 36 divided by 9. If you see over here, bacho, Hana, 36 divided by 9, you can see the number 36 is there. Here is also 36. Number 9 is also there. Now, tell me which number is missing from here. Which number is missing? That is number 4. So definitely the answer is going to be what here? That is your number 4. Are we clear? बहुत simple है ना बच्चों? Yes? Okay. Now, if I tell you that 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Clear है सबको? 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. Now, students, can you tell me? Then 10 divided by 2 is equal to what? 10 divided by 2 is equal to what? Very good. That will be your number 5. And that's my favorite number. Clear? This is the relation between multiplication and division. That is the opposite. Understood, bacho? Now, let's solve a question. Let's solve a question, everybody. 5 multiplied by 4. 5 multiplied by 4, that is equal to 20. Right? So, what is 20 divided by 5? What is 20 divided by 5, bacho? 5 into 4 equal to 20. Then 20 divided by 5 will be how much? Option A, that is number 3. Option B, that is number 4. Option C, that is number 5. Option D, that is number 6. Okay. All the best, students, and everybody answer. Okay. All the best. You have to tell me what is 20 divided by 5. Okay. You can take the example of this multiplication sentence, and also you can tell me 20 divided by 5 will be what? Is it option A, number 3? Option B, that is number 4. Option C, that is number 5. And option D, number 6. All the best. Okay. Salary quiz, bacho. Answer correctly. All the best. Good job in the class. I can see all of you are doing really amazing in the class, beta. Great to see that. On Monday, your performance is really, really amazing. Okay, बहुत अच्छा energy है. Very good. Do not leave the class, beta. If you stay connected in the class till the end, you are going to be master in this topic. Okay, nobody should leave the class. If 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20, then 20 divided by 5 will be what? 10 more seconds. Let's be more quick and solve more and more questions in the class, bacho. Very good. Students, can you write your answer in the chat box? Tell me what would be the answer, bacho? Very good. So 20 divided by 5 will be your option number B, that is 4. Clear, everyone? You can see the number 20 is there. Here is also 25 is there. 5 is there. Which number is missing? Number 4. So the correct answer will be your option number B. Are we clear? Yes? Okay. Now, let us solve one more question. And after that, I'm going to give you a set of Oda coins. Okay, sorry, my bad. I'm going to give you some salary. Now, in this question, what is there, student? What is given in this question? If 4, 7, if 4, 7, 8, 9, you don't have to multiply. If you multiply 4, 7, 8, 9, divide into 27, you get 1,29,003. Right, everybody? So what is the value for this? Is it option A, 4577, option B, 7489, option C, 4897, but an option D, 4789. Be careful with the answer, bacho, because options are very confusing. Okay, what will be the correct answer? Think and answer properly. Okay, your time starts now. No mistakes. Read the question very carefully, bacho, because the options are very confusing. है ना? Read the question very carefully. Find the value of 1,29,003 divided by 27. Okay, take your time, students. Take your time so that everybody, one of you can answer correctly. Okay, what will be the correct answer? Okay, option A. Is it option B, option number C, or option number D? All the best, but you know. Okay, so we have 10 more seconds. So can you tell me what will be the answer? Six, five, four, three, two, and one. Good answer, everybody. The quiz has ended. Very, very nice performance from all of you. Great to see that, Bacho. You all are doing really amazing in the class. Okay. So now, what will be the answer? You can see this number 1,29,003 is there. Here also it is here. Number 27 is there. 27 is here. Which number is missing? Bacho, the number 4789. So option number D will be the correct answer. Is this clear? Right, CC in the chat box, बच्चों अब तक clear है सबको? Is this clear to everyone? And tell me how many of you got zero incorrect, because our aim is to get zero incorrect. Okay. And the main goal is that many of you think that division is tough. It is not tough, beta. It is super easy. Okay. Got it? Very good. So now all of you just tap on your screen and quickly get your salary because you are performing really outstanding, beta. Okay. It's a good energy from all of you. No mistakes. If you have done one or two mistakes, no problem. Just avoid it. Okay. Everybody learns from the mistakes, which are you are going to learn this from your mistakes. Okay. Chalo, very good, everybody. Congratulations for getting ODA coins. Now we are going to have a riddle. Okay, it's a riddle time because a small break is required. Hana bacho. All right. The question is that I ring when it's time to start or end. I am not a phone, but I am every student's friend. What am I? Tell me. I ring when it's time to start or end. I am not a phone, but I am every student's friend. What am I? Can you tell me? Yes, absolutely correct. The correct answer is going to be a school bell. Okay, bacho. है ना? So like, tell me, bacho, when I was a student, I like, we become very happy, right? When we hear the last bell in your school, right? You same thing happens with you, yes or no? Same चीज होता है क्या, बच्चों? When you hear your last bell in the school, we are very excited. अब तो घर जाना है, right? We need to go home right now. You are also getting excited for that? Yes, the last bell is the best one, right? And when we have the first or second, it's very boring. We have so many classes after that also, है ना? So that's a great things, right? Very good. Now, we are going to solve some word problems on that is division, bacho. But tell me, how many of you love Chota Bheem? You can write CB in the chat box if you love Chota Bheem quickly, because today you have an amazing characters in the class, bacho. You love Chota Bheem? Okay, that's good. Now, you know that Chota Bheem loves laddu, okay? Even I also love laddu. मुझे अच्छा लगता है laddu खाना. ठीक है. Now, what is given in the question, बच्चों? That's very important so that you can understand the concept of division. Chota Bheem collected 72 laddus, okay? 72 laddus he collected. Now, he distributed them equally. So, bachcho, one thing is very important. Distributed them equally means what? That is going to be my sharing. You know, Hannah? Distribute. For example, I'm having birthday. I'm giving chocolate to all my like colleagues in the office, Hannah. That is what? That is also your sharing, right? That is distributing. So distributing is basically a keyword for your division. Now, equally among how many friends? Equally among the 6 friends. So now you have to tell me how many laddus did each friend get. Now, बच्चों, tell me, are we going to do division? Yes or no in the voting poll? क्या हम लोग division करने वाले हैं? Yes, everybody. Yes, Ronak sir, absolutely. We are going to do the division. So now let's divide the number. First, you write the number 6, and we are going to do with the long division. But one thing you know, how many of you know about this? Okay, let me tell you. Yes, DMSB. Do you all know? Any guess? DMSB. What is meaning by that? पता है? Dirty monkey smells bad. Remember? Already we have learned. Remember? Dirty monkey, not the monkey, beta. It's dirty monkey smells bad. Now, first thing, I'm going to divide the number 7. So 7, I'm going to divide by number 6. So 6 multiplied by 1, that is 6. 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. So I cannot take 6 multiplied by 2, that is 12. What I'm going to do? I'm going to take this number 6 ones are 6, right? Now, after multiplying, I'm going to subtract, bacho. What is 7 minus 6? Can anybody tell me? What is 7 minus 6, bacho? All of you, let's do one by one step. Very good. So 7 minus 6 will be 1. Good job. What is the next step? What is the next step, bachcho? Division is done. Multiplication is done. Subtraction is done. What is the next step? I'm going to bring down the number. Very bad. Okay, very sorry. I'm going to bring down this number, bachcho. That is your number 2. Now, can I divide this number 12 with 6? Yes, can I divide this number with 6, but yes or no? All of you tell me. Yes, sir, we can divide because 6 twos are 12. If you multiply, so what is the answer? And if you subtract 12 minus 12, that is 0, the remainder. So how many laddus each friend get? Batao bachcho. Each friend. So you can mention that each friend will get, okay, how many laddus? 12 laddus. Okay, can you eat 12 laddus? Huh? Possible? Is this possible for you? Very good. Okay, don't try. Okay. For me, I think it's not possible. Too much sweet. Fine. So this is the way that how you are going to division. But you understood? Can you all write DMSB in the chat box? Dirty monkey smells bad. D for division, M for multiplication, S for subtraction, and B for bring down the number. Clear hai? Very good, bachche log. Now let's solve a question. It's a 1 mark question. The difficulty is going to increase in the class, hai na? Difficulty increase hone wala hai. Just wait for it. There are 9 friends and 45 bananas. Okay, there are 9 friends and 45 bananas. If bananas are divided equally, so here what is the keyword divided? Already mentioned. Hai na? If the bananas are divided equally among the friends, how many does each friend get? So you have this number 45. You're going to divide this number with 9. So tell me, bacho, what will be the correct answer? Option A 4, option B 5, option C that is 6, option D that is number 7. Tell me, bacho, what will be the correct answer? All of you try this question. Good to see that you all are doing really good in the class, but very, very nice performance. Okay, it's a Monday class. Energy should be very high in the session. Okay? Very good, very good. Try this question. There are 9 friends and 45 bananas. A among this, that is 9 friends. So what will be the correct answer? So we have 10 more seconds, but you have to be more quick, है ना? थोड़ा जल्दी करना पड़ेगा so that we can solve more and more questions in the session. Very good. So now, can you tell me what will be the answer? Yes, you have to divide this number 45 with 9, bachcho. 45 with. So now everybody tell me with this number 9, which number I should multiply so that I can get 45? Is it possible? Which number I should multiply with 9 so that I can get 45? Yes, everybody tell me. All of you tell me. Yes, Shashwat, Saurav, tell me, beta. Very good, 5. So 9 times 5 will be 45. So multiplication is done. What is the next step? Next step is subtract. So if you subtract, yes, my favorite number, 45. So 45 minus 45 will be 0. So 0 is what, bachu? Can anybody tell me what is this number 0? The number 0 is going to be your remainder. Hana? Remainder. Understood? It is not hard, beta. You have to focus. Sriyan, Talanki, understood? Very easy, beta. Option number B will be the correct answer. Now let us solve a question based on Motu Patlu. Okay. Anybody a big fan of Motu Patlu? You can write MP in the chat box. Motu Patlu. Anybody fan? Yes. Okay. We have so many fans. Okay. So you know that Motu Patlu loves samosas. Okay. Samosa kisko pasand hai? You can type 1 in the chat box. After class, you can eat samosa. Chalo, very good, very good. So now it's time to read the question very carefully. Motu Patlu bought 96 samosas. Okay, how many samosas? 96 samosa. They shared them equally among 8 friends. Okay, what they did? They shared among 8 friends, bachu. Now the question is that how many samosas does each friend get? So share them equally means what? That is distributing, right बच्चों? That is the keyword for difference. That is division, that is sharing or distributing. Now you're going to divide this number 96 with 8. Can you all do? Can you all do, my dear students? Yes, type 1 in the chat box. Can you all do? Yes, 96 you are going to divide with what? That is number 8. Okay, first we are going to use the mnemonic, that is what? Dirty monkey smells bad. So first I'm going to divide the number. Which number I'm going to divide? I am going to divide the number 9, bachu. So 9 divided by 8. Okay, so 9 divided by 8. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So 8 to the 16 we cannot take because that is more than 9. So we're going to take the less number. 8 ones are 8, right? So multiplication is done. Now students, tell me what is next step, that is subtract. So what is 9 minus 8? But you tell me what is 9 minus 8? Very good. 9 minus 8 will be 1 and you bring down the number 16. Now, can I divide 16 with 8, bacho? Can I divide 16 with 8? Yes. Everybody tell me yes, Ronak sir, it's possible because 8 multiplied by 2, that is 16, bacho. So you have to multiply 8 with 2, that is 16. Now multiplication is done. What is the next step? I need to subtract the number. So bacho, if you subtract 16 minus 16, that is how much? That is your number 0. Got it? And this number 0 will be your remainder. Clear everybody? Quick 5 in the chat box, but if it is clear to all of you. 0 is going to be your remainder. Done? Very, very nice. Okay, 0 is remainder. And what will be the answer? How many samosas does each friend get? So each friend will get 12 samosa. Okay, understood? Yes, each friend will get how much, bacho? That is 12 samosa. Now the question is that, bacho, if this type of question is coming in your school examination, make a promise that can you all do? Yes, because this question for 2 or 3 marks you are going to get. Can you all do? No? Pakka promise karo ek bar. Yes, can you all do? I trust you all. Promise? Because this type of question will be coming. Okay. Yes, Devamrit, we have Pataprim, we have Mimansa, Divyanshi, and Oda Queen Anya. Can you all do? Clear है ना सबको? Very easy बेटा. Only you have to divide the number and you get the answer correctly है ना? Aradhya, Samrutva, Jaivesh, Abdullah, Lalit. Clear everyone? Can you all do? Yes. Samrutva, can you do beta?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Aradhya, what about you? Can you do? Very good. Jaivesh, can you do in the examination?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Abdullah, what about you? Can you do?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Lalit, can you do?
Yes.
Very nice. So I can see that all of you can solve it. Now, let's solve a question and we have Nobita on your class. Okay. Yes. All of you must be excited. So Nobita's quiz is there, Bachu. You have to give me the correct answer. So that Nobita will be very happy. Huh? Wherever Nobita is there, will be very happy. Now, Nobita has 84 marbles. Okay. Nobita is having how much? 84 marbles. He divides. Already it is mentioned the keyword that is divides, right? This is the keyword for division. He divides them equally into 6 jars. Okay, into 6 jars. How many marbles are in each jar, bacho? In each jar, how many marbles are there? Option A 12, option B 13, option C 14, option D 15. So you have this dividend that is 84. You are going to divide with this number 6, bacho. All the very best. Take your time and answer correctly. Okay, I want everybody to answer 84 divided by 6, bacho. What is the answer? Option A, that is 12. Option B 13. Option C 14. Option D 15. Bacho, do not rush behind the quiz. And very, very important is that this is going to be your salary quiz. Do not leave the class. Okay, it's a very important class because the new week has started. You're going to get your new certificate from today onwards, right? It's already been counted in your performance. So what will be the answer, bacho? Time starts now. How many marbles are in each jar? Okay, all the best. Very good students. Keep the same energy in the class. Okay, try. Okay, if you have done mistakes, but no problem. Okay, definitely you will be learning from your mistakes. Nobita has 84 marbles. He divides them equally into six jars. So how many marbles are in each jar? Very good, everyone. Good job in the class. Okay. Very nice. 10 more seconds. Eight, seven, six, five, four, three, two, and one. Good response from all of you, bacho. Very good, and I'm very happy on Monday's class to teach you all for the very first time, bacho. Okay, because on this week you are doing really good. Okay, it's a good start for the class. Okay, so now everybody listen to me very carefully. We are going to use the short form that is dirty monkey smells bad. Hannah. So first thing I'm going to divide this number 8 with 6. So if I take 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. Not possible. So 6 ones are 6. Now everybody tell me what is 8 minus 6, Bachu? What is 8 minus 6? Can you all tell me quickly in the chat box? Very good. If you subtract 8 minus 6, you get your number that is 2. Very good. Next step, you bring down the number 4. Now, Bachu, can you divide 24 with 6? Can you divide 24 with 6? Yes or no? Yes, can we do? Absolutely, Ronak. So we can do it because 6 fours are 24. Right. So 6 fours are 24. So what is the answer, Bacho? The remainder is 0. My correct answer is going to be option number C, that is 14. So how many marbles are in each jar? So you can mention that in each jar. Okay. Nobita. Okay. Okay. Nobita is having how many? Nobita has how many? That is 14 marbles. Got it? Clear, Bacho? Very good, everyone. Congratulations. Okay, so this type of 2 marks question, bacho, especially you all are going to get in your examination. Now, everybody just tap on your screen and quickly get your ODA coins. Okay, everybody fast because you all are doing really good and amazing in the class, bacho. Very good performance from everybody. That's really great. All right. So, are you all really enjoying the class? Are you all really enjoying the class with Ronak sir? Yes. Very good, my dear students. Okay. Now, before we go to the next question, my dear students, okay, I would congratulate one of your friend who have got a very good marks in the school examination. So, all of you can give favorite emoji. Okay, you all can congratulate Anvid because he got really a good mark. That's 96% in his midterms examination, bacho. Now, what will be tasks that you tell me, bacho, what marks you have got in your midterm examination? You can share your marks to your mentor teachers. Can you do? Yes. Congratulations to Anvid. Very well done, beta, for getting a very good result in the midterm. Okay. And tell me, bacho, especially if I talk about the mathematics. Okay. If I talk about for mathematics, bacho, how much you are getting, how much marks did you got? Yes, in under the guidance of Ronak. So can we do that? Huh? Kitna marks ho raha hai? Whether there is a good improvement in you or not, you can let me know and you can share this to your mentor teacher. I want to specially see what marks my students are getting in the school examination for mathematics, especially. Okay, science marks you can share to the Praful sir. Okay? Okay, that's good. 98, 19, 40 out of 14, maths are 95, 100%. That's really great. Class is 1 rank. Okay, let's see that. Today I'm going to see the result. Okay, I'm very excited that how good teacher I am to see that how my students are doing in the class. Okay, can we have that? That's really bacho. And before that, let us congratulate our one student is also having birthday. You can also wish your friend happy birthday. Yes, definitely work hard, bacho. Happy birthday, Advait beta. God bless you. Study well. And yes, I'm waiting for the cake that you can share me in like parcel the cake in Bangalore. Okay, I'm waiting for that. Thank you. Happy birthday, beta. So now no more talking about the cake and the result. Yes, the marks which especially you are getting, bacho. You can tell me, sir, I'm getting this much marks in mathematics. Especially you can let me know. Okay. And personally, I'm going to see that how much score my students are doing in the examination. Okay. So let's solve this question, bacho. All right. There are 8 friends and 96 bananas. Okay. 8 friends and 96 bananas. If the bananas are divided equally among the friends, How many does each friend get? Okay, almost a practice question similar to this we have done earlier. Now it's your time to answer this correctly. All the very, very best. Okay, it's your salary quiz, but all the best. Jaldi say, what will be the answer, students? I want everybody to give your best in the class. Sorry. How many each friend will get? No mistakes. Don't run behind the quizzes, but I want every one of you to answer it out correctly. Okay, all the very best.